2018 Cadillac ATS review. If it's street-legal thrills you are considering, you'll find it with all the 2018 Cadillac ATS. This sporty small car doesn't remain true as well as a daily driver, though, as evidenced by its mid-pack browsing RS. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Robust engine lineup. Engaging driving dynamics. Long number of standard features. Excellent crash test ratings. Quirky and distracting infotainment system. Cramped back seat. One in the smallest trunks inside class. Poor fuel usage. The 2018 Cadillac ATS can be a genuine sports sedan which gives Germany's best a run with regards to money. Acceleration is brisk and satisfying with any with the three engines, however the twin turbocharged V6 inside ATS-V is particularly grind-inducing. Fuel economy is mediocre, however you likely won't care because you can be too busy carving through canyons to see. There are three engines intended for the ATS, applying a 272 horsepower, turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that feels quick and lively. Like the other engines from the lineup, this four-cylinder comes standard by having an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some trim levels also come together with the choice of a 6-speed manual transmission. Criticisms on this engine will not be with acceleration, however with refinement, as it may feel loud and coarse in many circumstances. It also carries a below-average fuel economy rating of 22 miles per gallon inside city and 31 miles per gallon traveling. If you desire more oomph, boost to the naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6. Included inside premium luxury and premium performance trims, this 335 horsepower engine might be more robust compared to the four-cylinder. It lowers fuel consumption through cylinder deactivation, automatically shutting off a portion in the engine if you aren't accelerating. This active fuel management system helps the V6 earn a 20 miles per gallon city 30 mpg highway fuel economy rating. That's respectable to get a V6 engine. The ultimate in ATS performance lies inside the series. Its 464 horsepower 3.6-liter V6 employs twin turbochargers which is capable of reaching 60 miles per hour within a bracing 3.8 seconds. When you are looking for fit and take care of, the 2018 Cadillac ATS has one on the nicest cabins inside the class, with an abundance of ordinary features add value and entertainment opportunities. A small trunk, a cramped rear seat, and issues with all the infotainment system are its interior score. ATS seating capacity depends upon the body style. The four-door sedan holds 5 people, plus the two-door coupe has room for 4. Synthetic leather seats are standard, and upgrades like genuine leather, 8-way power-adjustable front seats, heated front seats, power front side bolsters, and also a heated tire are available. For child safety seats, the ATS has 2 groups of lower anchors and 3 tether anchors. Coupe models have only 2 tether anchors. It's easier than you think to fit and install most kinds of car seats while using the latch hardware. Like many small luxury cars, passenger space isn't overly abundant from the ATS. This won't bother those within the front seats, that happen to be roomy and comfy, though the back seats are cramped and narrow, especially within the ATS coupe. The base ATS infotainment system contains Cadillac's Q infotainment interface, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, an 8-inch touchscreen technology, Bluetooth, 3 USB ports, satellite radio, a Bose 10-speaker audio system, OnStar 4G LTE which has a built-in Wi-Fi place, and wireless charging for enabled smartphones. A rear-view camera, teen driver assist, dual-zone climate control, and proximity keyless entry are included. Available options include navigation, a 110-volt household-style outlet, a sunroof, remote start, front and back parking sensors, a safety alert seat, a following distance indicator, forward collision alert, lane change alert with blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep benefit departure warning, rain-sensing windshield wipers, automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, front and back automatic emergency braking, plus a head-up display. Both the ATS Coupe and ATS Sedan use a 10.4 cubic foot trunk. That's one with the smallest cargo capacities within the class.